Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. We are from group 2, want to present difference between magnetic disk and optical disk. The group by Ahmad Ramadhani, Rofiko Wahyuning Tias, and me, Ahmad Torik Ramadan. The magnetic disk and optical disk are the storage device that provide a way to store data for a long duration. Both are categorized under the category of secondary storage device. Number 1, magnetic disk. A magnetic disk is a storage device that uses a magnetization process to read, write, rewrite, and access data. The magnetic disk is made of a set of circular platters. It is covered by a magnetic coating and storage data in the form of tracks, spots, and sectors. Hard disks, zip disks, and floppy disks are common examples of magnetic disks. The number of bit storage on each track does not change by using the simplest constant angular velocity. Next.
Second is optical disk. Optical disk is any computer disk that uses optical storage techniques and technology to read and write data. It is a storage device in which optical or light energy is used. It is a computer storage disk that stores data digitally and uses laser beams to read and write data. It uses the optical technology in which laser light is centered to the spinning disk. Next. Next, difference between magnetic disk and optical disk. The differences about magnetic storage device and optical storage device it has many differences. First, magnetic storage device is use multiple fixed disks. Then optical storage device is use single removable disk. The second differences is in magnetic storage device, intermediate signal to noise ratio, but in optical storage device has a excellent signal to noise ratio. The third difference is tracks on magnetic disks are generally circular, but in optical storage device is made in a spiral. The fourth difference is in an optical disk, data is accessed sequentially, but in magnetic disk is accessed randomly. The fifth is the sample rates used in magnetic disks are lower than those used in optical disks. The sixth is magnetic disk access time is lower than optical disks. Next.
Type of magnetic storage device. First, hard disk. Hard drive consists of stack of non-removable platters coated with magnetic materials. Each with its own read or write head as shown in the photo. Hard disk drivers are built into desktop and laptop. The capacity of a hard disk is measured in gigabytes. It holds much more data than a CD-ROM. The capacity of a CD-ROM is measured in megabytes. To find the capacity of the latest hard drive, you should look in the latest computer magazine of search in internet. Next. Second, floppy disks. Floppy disks are disks of plastic coated in magnetic material and enclosed in a hard plastic case. The read or write area is covered by a sliding metal flap. Although they used to be very common, as they were a convenient way of transporting files from one computer to another, they not much use anymore. Floppy disks are wide to and read from, took the use of separate floppy disk drive. Floppy disks are less popular than they have been because they are easily damaged and have a limited storage capacity in that they can only hold 1044 MB. Photo text document each have become too large. Next. Third, magnetic tape. Made of a long plastic strip coated with magnetic material. Tape is mostly used for making backup. It can store lots of data, but this data is slower to access because of having to wind talk to the information unit, slow down the access time. This makes it impractical for use as main storage. One great advantage of magnetic tape is cheapness. Magnetic tape use sequential or serial access to locate data stored on the tape. Next. Type of optical storage device. First, CD-ROM. CD-ROM stands for compact disk read-only memory, and CD-ROM comes in the random access category device. This type of disk can capable to store almost 800 MB of digital data. This data can discard by mistake. Second, DVD-ROM. DVD-ROM stands for Digital Versatile Disk, read-only memory, and it also comes in the random access category device. DVD random disk can store data up to 7 GB, but dual-layer DVD device storage capacity is double. This type of disks are used to store ultra-quality video. Thank you.